Hello and welcome to today's Double Trouble episode. First, we're going to do maintenance on my old car, which is currently my brother's car, and after that we're going to repair the Golf 2. This car has the M52 B25 TU engine, which I love. We're going to start with a quick air filter change. Don't forget to blow out the air housing. New air filter going in. We're also going to change the oil filter and the oil. The brake fluid was replaced last year, so that's only due next year. Also, the hydraulic servo fluid was also changed by me 1.5 years ago, so that's good as well. Considering the age and the mileage of the oil, it's got around 7,000 kilometers and around 1 year of usage on it, so we'll change it and we're still in the interval. First, we're going to take off the underbody protection. Just loosen the oil filter housing so that the oil can drain back into the oil pan. The oil drain plug is a size 17. Now we're going to take out the oil filter. And back into the car. If the oil ring is lubricated well, you can put it back in. These two oil rings, I already changed them last year, and for whatever reason these never come with the oil change kit, so I had to order these off of BMW. I'm going to put a part number right there so you can check that as well. Since this thing is out of plastic, I never torque it, I just go until the lid reaches the bottom and it bottoms out, and then I stop. This engine takes exactly 6.5 liters. In case you're wondering why the oil was kind of like grayish and not as oil coloring for oil that is only like 7,000 kilometers old, it's because last oil changed I put in some MOS2 additive, which is really gray in nature, and that explains the discoloration of the oil. I've put on some paper to protect myself in the event of an oil discussion. And now the last half liter. And we are spot on. Some mandatory cleaning. Now that the E46 is finished, onto the Golf.